Are you behind on payments, inherited a house you don't want, or are you just tired with dealing with tenants? Selling a house can be overwhelming, especially if it needs repairs. You're facing foreclosure, or you're even stuck in probate. Most buyers will walk away when things get complicated. At Cash Out on My Home, we buy houses fast in Chattanooga, North Georgia, and Knoxville, as is, for cash. No agents, no commissions, and no waiting. Inherited home, code violations, problem tenants, we've helped hundreds of local homeowners walk away with a fair cash offer. We're a family-run company with 5-star reviews, and we're proud to be Chattanooga's most trusted home buyers for foreclosure help, probate properties, and as-is sales. Get a cash offer in 24 hours. No cleaning, no repairs, no pressure. You can sell your house fast today without lifting a finger and choose the date of your closing. Just fill out the form and we'll reach out right away.